Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys like how much energy does like a recipe give or like a food gives in like Heartopia. So basically, when you hit the like stove icon here, when you press it, you'll be able to see the energy it gives. So for instance, the black truffle pie, you'll see it here. It gives 80 energy, cheesecake 50, jam 35, and just select the ones that you want to like make, and you'll see like how much energy it gives to you or to the person that you're giving the food to. So let's say coffee. So for a coffee, it gives 40 energy. So if I drink coffee here, it's going to give around 40. It depends on the star again, I think, but it gave me like 48. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.